Maybe you love being in nature, but the very thought of being bitten by mosquitoes or ticks leaves you feeling less than comfortable or even really scared. I know this feeling. I live out in the country and I love taking walks, but I have to say, over the past several years, I've started feeling concerned about spending so much time outside. I did not like that feeling at all, so I dedicated myself to reviewing all the research on how to repel mosquitoes or ticks naturally. I came up with an amazing and very effective essential oil blend that I want to share with you. It works so well. It's taken all the concern away from me, and I hope it does for you too. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aroma Head Institute, and I am really excited to share this recipe with you. It has worked so well for me. I'm making it in 2 ounces of unscented lotion. I already put the unscented lotion right into this glass jar. We're going to use cedarwood, patchouli, palmarosa, and catnip essential oils, all of them phenomenally effective. We're going to start with 6 drops of cedarwood. It smells so good, nice grounding aroma. So I'm just simply going to drop 6 drops right into the unscented cream, and once all the drops are in, I'll go ahead and mix it up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Cedarwood's a little thicker than some other oils, so it doesn't come out quite as fast. And then 6 drops of patchouli. Did you know that patchouli is really great against bugs? It is, and I love the aroma. I know not everyone loves the aroma, but trust me, if you don't, it's kind of hidden in the blend, so I don't think it'll bother you much. 1, it's very slow to come out because it's so thick. So we'll get 6 drops out of here eventually. And as it's coming, sometimes if you just tap the top of the bottle, that helps. So let's see. There we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, good. Now, next we're going to add Palmarosa, and we're adding more drops of Palmarosa, 10. And Palmarosa is filled with a component, geraniol, that is great against the mosquitoes and against ticks. So 10 drops. This one will come out quickly. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, great. And then lastly, catnip. We grow catnip all over our land as well. It's a great deterrent and it's beautiful and it makes great tea. The catnip leaves can be just soaked in hot water like any other herb, and it's a delicious tea that's very calming for your nervous system. Little side note. So for the catnip, 14 drops. Okay, here we go. And I'm amazed at how powerful this combination is. It worked so well for me summer after summer, so I really appreciate using it. Here comes the catnip. 1, it's coming out slow because it's a little thicker. 3, 4. It's a pretty color. 8, 9, 10, 11. We're getting there. 12, almost, and 14. Okay. Thanks for your patience on that. Now we're going to just mix it up. I'm going to use a glass stirring rod. Use a pretty little parrot. And I'm just going to mix it. And you need to mix for a while. Fortunately, the oils are, you can see them. They've got a bright color to them and the cream is white. So you can tell when it's all mixed in. And once you've got it all mixed in, you won't have to mix it again. Okay? And then all you do is apply it to your skin. And I would put it, there we go. I would put it anywhere that your skin is exposed. And then I would go ahead and make a spray that you use for your clothing. And you can use the same essential oils. And you can just make a spray even in water, shake it up really well, and use that on your clothing. So then you have this, your skin is protected, that's exposed, and your clothing, so you'll get kind of double action. All right, well, I hope this recipe works for you, and it's called Don't Bug Me. So good luck with it, and let me know. Come back and comment if you use it and it's really effective. Put a comment in below, because I love reading your comments, and I always read every single one, and I answer any questions you might have. And also, if you're enjoying this recipe and you enjoy essential oils, you could subscribe to my channel, to the AromaHead channel, and every 2 weeks I make a new video. So that'll alert you to every time I put a new video out. Okay, take care everybody. Bye for now.